Let's take one example on Millman's theorem. Find current I in 6 plus J8 ohm impedance using Millman's theorem. Here the circuit is given. We are supposed to calculate current through 6 plus J8 ohm. We'll assume that current I is flowing in 6 plus J8 ohm and it is connected between the terminal. The Millman's equivalent circuit looks like this. This is Millman's voltage Vm and this is Millman's resistance. I will call it as Rm. This is A and B terminal. So in Millman's theorem, the current or the voltage in which branch is to be calculated, that branch is to be open circuited. It means that now we supposed to keep A and B terminal open. That is, we supposed to remove this 6 plus J8 ohm resistor. If we remove this, then A and B terminals will become open. Then we supposed to calculate Millman's voltage Vm and Millman's resistance Rm. Let's see how to calculate Millman's voltage Vm. Millman's voltage is calculated using the formula Vm is equal to V1Y1 plus V2Y2 plus V3Y3 whole divided by Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3. Here V1 is voltage in the first branch, that is 415 angle 0. V2 is voltage in second branch, that is 415 angle 120 degree. And V3 is voltage in third branch, that is 415 angle 240 degree. Y1, Y2, Y3 are resistance, that is conductance in corresponding branches. So here the resistance value is given. We are supposed to take inverse of this to get conductance Y divided by Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3. So here in this problem, we'll note on the given things. Here V1 is equal to 415 angle 0 and R1 is equal to 10 ohm. Therefore, Y1 is equal to 1 over 10, which is 0.1 mho. Similarly, V2 is 415 angle 120. R2 is J10. R2, or we can call it as Z2, impedance or resistance, both are same. So Y2 will be equal to 1 over J10, which is nothing but minus J 0.1 mho. Similarly, V3 is equal to 415 angle 240 degree and R3 or Z3 is minus J10. If we take the reciprocal of this, we will get Y3, that is 1 upon minus J10 is nothing but J 0.1 mho. Now we'll substitute all these values in this equation. That is Vm is equal to V1 is 415 into Y1 is 0.1 plus V2 is 415 at an angle 120 degree into Y2 is minus 0.1 J. Similarly, V3 is 415 angle 240 degree multiplied with J 0.1 J whole divided by Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3, that is 0.1 minus J 0.1 plus J 0.1. Let's simplify this. Therefore, I can write Vm. So keep the calculator in complex mode and choose degree mode. Now we'll feed the values, that is 415 into 0.1 plus the next value is 415 angle 120. So we can use directly, we can feed this value directly in calculator. 415, here we have angle sign, that is 415 angle 120 into minus 0.1 minus 0.1 I, similarly plus 415 angle 240 into 0.1 I, which is equal to, we got it as 113.38 divided by, that is here we have 0.1 minus j 0.1 plus j 0.1, these two will get cancelled. So 113.38 divided by 0.1, which is equal to, divided by 0.1 is equal to 1133.80 volts. This is Millman's voltage Vm. Rm is calculated using the formula 1 over y1 plus y2 plus y3. Substitute the values. Therefore Rm is equal to, y1 is 0.1, 1 over 0.1 plus y2 is minus j 0.1 and y3 is plus j 0.1. So simplifying this, we'll get Rm is equal to 1 over 0.1. Therefore Rm is equal to 10 ohm. Now let's draw Millman's equivalent circuit, which is nothing but Vm in series with Rm. So Rm value is 10 ohm and Vm value is 1133.8 volts. So this is the two terminals, that is A and B, which is open. As I said in the beginning that in Millman's theorem, the branch in which we are finding current or voltage, that branch should be made open circuited. So it should be made open circuited by removing the resistor 6 plus J8. So now we are supposed to connect the 6 plus J8 ohm resistor to this open terminals A and B, that is 6 J8 ohm. Now let's find the current in this loop. Therefore I can say I is equal to total voltage divided by Rm plus 6 plus J8. Therefore I is equal to 1133.8 divided by Rm is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16 plus J8. Therefore I is equal to 1133.8 divided by 16 plus 8I, 56.69 minus J 28.34 amps. This result is in rectangular form. It is good practice to keep the result in polar form also. So we can use the calculator directly to convert polar into rectangular, that is shift plus sign, because on plus sign we'll get R angle theta, which gives magnitude is 63.38. Shift equal gives an angle that is minus 26.56 amps. The required result, that is current through 6 plus J8 ohm using Millman's theorem. Thank you for watching.